it's very evident that both your films have had to face this, and your film had actually a victorious, like a victory against censor board. It's considered a historic victory, and it happened just after that, Urta Punjab, and then Great Grandmasti released 17 days. It's very, even if you don't want to see it, it looks like a sabotage. From Balaji's point of view, what are you going to do for your next film from here onwards? Are you going to take any preventive measure when it comes to, censoring and...
So we are taking some measures to censor our next film. But like I said, I don't want to blame anybody till we get the crime report. And till then, I would like to reserve any comments on who's done it. I personally have a little different conspiracy theory than yours, but close.
Yeah, also the censor board has said that, it can happen from either side. Like censor board has said that it might have happened because it's Balaji's film, so they have said that it might happen from Balaji's point of view. Like somebody from Balaji
Anyone
might
say
have...
this?
Somebody has said.
Whoever said this doesn't seem to have the knowledge that the production house has no copy of the film till the film's final print comes. So I think whoever said that to you, I don't think they checked facts.
Yeah. Hello.
There has to be a structure. Like I said earlier, TIPCU, what Telangana government has done now, is a fabulous base, a platform for our industry to get together and say, okay, this is a great platform. They've already done the groundwork. Let's add what we need to this and take it forward. Small things in implementation. I'll tell you an example. When I was in Delhi talking to the police commissioner, I said, sir, आप जब जब्त करते हो, रेड करते हो, तो आप सिर्फ pirated content रेड करते हो, आप सिर्फ CDs, DVDs, पेन ड्राइव्स रेड करते हो. अगर आप equipment as part of piracy उसको attach करके confiscate the equipment which is expensive, then that starts to pinch the pirates. That starts to hurt them, because now the damage, the financial damage to them to set up the whole infrastructure all over again, if it happens 3 or 4 times, they're out of business. So for the first time in Delhi, 9 raids were conducted where they took all the equipment. This is a beginning. Now, if this becomes a practice across India, at least the physical piracy aspect will get hit hard. The second thing that through your medium, I want to tell people, I want to educate you people, because we don't want any young kid thinking it's harmless to put a link up on WhatsApp, to put a link up on Facebook and say, hey guys, check this link out. I downloaded Great Grandmasti, aap bhi dekho free mein. It's not harmless. That is actually piracy. To download and watch, you can be arrested, you can get bail. But if you forward a link to your friends, you're actually participating in a piracy process. As a pirate, it's a non-bailable warrant. It's a non-bailable offense. And you can ruin your life, your career, by having a criminal record for doing something as silly as that. Now, this is something that people need to be aware of, because the stronger action that we've pushed the government to take, there is going to be a crackdown. And people have to start taking responsibility for it.
I think, Vivek, we should also mention that when we sought an intervention at your behest with the INB ministers, I think we have been told that the Great Grandmasti team should be the torchbearers to lead the movement against the piracy. So we are not going to stop here. And I think we have become an example, but we are going to make people also, the culprits also, example out of it. And I think this is the last time you are going to hear. I think within 4 to 8 weeks, we are going to submit concrete recommendations, and we will ensure that the government is going to accept those recommendations to prevent the online piracy, or to prevent the allegation surfacing that from censor board or FCAT these copies are leaking. So we are going to submit a set of representations on behalf of the industry to ensure that this systemic problem is addressed.
जाते जाते एक आखिरी सवाल किया है, नोटिस भेजा है बालाजी को, तो इस पर क्या कहना चाहेंगे? एक मेड का नाम शाइनी रखा गया है, तो इस पे आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I think this is not even a worth a discussion. Such notices come, and I think वो appropriate forum पे उसका जवाब दिया जाएगा. आज उस बात पे बात करके हमको पायरेसी के इशू से हम इसे कोई बात को डाइग्रेस करना नहीं चाहते हैं. Piracy is an important issue. We want to stick to that issue.
Ekta ji here. You've been an iron lady in Bollywood and television industry. I want to know that, in future, will you follow the same procedure of filing the movie, or like in the censor mein, will you give your copy? What you'll take your?
So we are looking at getting a new censor format ready. But as far as I'm concerned, on my personal next movie, we're hoping to actually at least make a request that we don't have to send a CD because we can't take this anymore.
I'm sorry, just to add to that, it's not very public information yet, but I think yesterday or day before, the board has already put out information saying that they will not be taking a copy of the film anymore. So I think it will be either a DCP or, the producer will be present, make the screening happen, have the discussion, and take the DVD and CD or DVD back with them. So I think there's already a change that's happening.
I think all the changes will come into play, but what we have to see is now, once we get the CBI report, and Induji and Ashokji will have to front this because they are the producers, if there is any concrete action taken, and that's where I think the government and the legal system of the country will come into play.
Last
मैम लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम माय साइड मैम मूवी जहाँ से आती है और जिनके पास जाती है वो जो कॉपी होती है उनकी अच्छे से मॉनिटरिंग होनी चाहिए और दूसरी बात ये कि जब मूवी आती है किसी टॉरेंट साइट में या किसी में उन सब साइट को हमें मॉनिटर करना चाहिए कि जैसे हॉलीवुड की कुछ फिल्में होती है वो उस समय टॉरेंट पर नहीं आती जब तक मूवी पूरी रिलीज ना हो जाए 2-3 महीने के बाद तो ये सब चीज हम खुद से कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री कंट्रोल कर सकती है तो एटलीस्ट ये तो होना ही चाहिए ये 2 पॉइंट तो
I think Ruchika जो वहाँ बैठी है, she'll answer this better. We have had 150 times on a torrent site, they can change links every hour. And there are various ways to reach a site. In fact, now there are manuals available. I think, Vivek, you can tell them about manuals available now that if
It's
you block a
ridiculous.
site, they give you a manual. How to
I
break
mean,
it.
it's really painful. मैं क्या बताऊं? Despite Balaji kicking into action instantly, even while the legal was going on, parallelly what they did was they hired agencies that are the best in the country to track, monitor and stop piracy, to pull off links. But एक लिंक आप उतारते हो 10 लिंक और खड़ी हो जाती हैं 10 लिंक उतारते हो 100 लिंक और खड़ी हो जाती
जब आपके
हैं
पेन ड्राइव पे होता है, then that sharing is a so totally
on another
different
level.
matter.
WhatsApp पे आप encrypted टुकड़े बना बना के उसको WhatsApp कर रहे हैं और लोग उसे डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट एंड लाइक एकता सेड शॉकिंग चीज हमने डिस्कवर की कि पीपल आर एक्चुअली पुटिंग अप मैन्युअल्स कि अगर आपको ब्लॉक किया जा रहा है तो ये तरीका है कि ब्लॉक को आप सर्कमवेंट करके और ये डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं लोग सिखा भी रहे हैं कि आप इस तरह से पायरेसी कर सकते हैं आप इस तरह से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं ओपनली
See, there was an audience for Urta that was a slightly economically higher strata audience. It's a class movie. So a lot of people who downloaded saw it. Yes, we lost a lot of money. But there were also some people who were clearly a little more ethically bound because of some kind of financial and education backing behind them, who decided to see it in the theatre. In a different economic strata, especially where Grand Masti becomes a favorite, probably the masses, getting anything free or financially giving them some kind of support became like a bonus. It was like a Diwali bonus to see a film free of cost. So unfortunately, the kind of film it is being catering to the masses, where a little bit of financial saving also helps. I don't think the moral, ethical ground play came into play.
Also, with just to add to what Ekta said, Urta had to deal with 48 hours of piracy. We were damaged for 17 days before the release of the film. Only we know what we went through, trying to keep a straight face, trying to smile in interviews, while we know every single day that it's getting worse and worse and worse.
Ladies and gentlemen, last question.
Yeah. There were 6 people that were arrested. That was the news that was floating out in Delhi. But that news was, could you throw a little light on that? Because we don't know much about it. Who were those people and what is the situation with them right now?
At this moment, to throw any information on the investigation will be premature because the investigation is at a crucial stage. And we don't want to send out any information which will generally aware the culprit to just find some way out. So at this moment, I think it's better the investigating authorities, they do the job.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Just before we call it to a close, I just want to say one thing. I just want to say one thing to all our media friends here. The war against piracy is on. We really appreciate your support. We are not going to just do this press conference and forget about it and move on. We are going to fight out this one, and we will need your support through this fight. So please stand with us.